everybody. Today we're in Citi Hardware to get some stuff that Mama needs. And look guys, there's the bathtub. And there's toilet seats. The bathtub. Let's go. And another one. And another one.
This is the Citi Hardware. It's a big place. And there's glory.
So, here is the faucet stuffs. See? There's Galia. Say hi, everybody. Say hi.
Did you find anything?
This one, but it's expensive. 700 plus 750.
Well, I'm sure that's what we paid last time. Here's one for $360. And you take that off.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Pretty easy. Is this okay?
This says 2 years warranty.
We gotta ask if it's so weird. It's just
Hi guys.
for
We went to
lighting.
Hi guys. We went to the aircon because it's so hot.
Okay. What else do we need there?
That's all.
This Citi Hardware is practically as good as Home Depot.
It's the same size like Home Depot.
It's massive, and they have pretty much everything you need. The other thing that's nice about this store is that it's very seldom, it's not crowded. I started to say it's very seldom, but it's never been crowded. Nice aircon unit right there. There's my beautiful wife right there, sashaying up the aisle.
For their wall, so they can put their necklace
Okay.
in the bed.
Here we go.
This is 44 pieces.
44. Let's just get a couple of these.
How about the hose from outside? Okay.
Go ahead.
He's talking to.
Are you talking to Daddy? What are you saying? Oh, really? Really?
Citi Hardware.
The house that we live in is not plumbed for the laundry. So basically we have a water hose feeding the laundry, feeding the washing machine from outside, feeding it through the window into the house. So I'll show that to you. So here we have the outside faucet, and this is a little wash basin area that we don't really use. But this faucet feeds this water hose that then goes right here inside the window there and feeds the washing machine. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do a swap out on that right quick. Should be pretty easy, pretty painless. So first things first, Let's turn off the water.
Turn off the water.
All right. Okay. Take this off. Well, that's lovely. I thought I got the small. Well, we're going to try a little trick with some hot water on that hose and see if we can heat up the hose enough to stretch onto that fitting. Otherwise, we're going to have to go back to the hardware store and buy a smaller fitting. But in the meantime, we'll go ahead and just install this. By the way, guys, I am a technologist, not a engineer. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a handyman. But I do understand how things work, and I have 2 hands and 10 fingers, so why not? There we go, that's tight.
Okay.
All right, so we have our hot water here. I'm gonna take the end of the hose and just drop it in this hot water and let that heat up the hose a little bit. All right, I think we got it to stretch out with the hot water. So I'm gonna put the clamp on here. All right, I think we got it tight enough. Yep. All right. So got a clamp on there, good, nice and square. Okay. Okay, give me the channel locks. Just get that a little bit of a snug. Okay, turn the water back on and watch it spray me in the face.
It's all good.
It's on.